A very good morning to all my students. Today I am going to start the story The Lark and Her Young Ones. Children, larks are very small birds about the size of a sparrow. There are various kinds of larks. Some look almost like the sparrow. Others they have crest. They are usually brownish in color. Larks build their nest on the ground. So today's story is about the lark who had a nest of young ones in a wheat field. Every day the mother lark would leave them each day to go out and hunt for food. As the wheat ripened, the mother lark expected means believed that somebody will come. She expected that the reapers will come. So she left word that the young larks should report to her all they heard. Word means message. One day, while she was absent, the farmer came to see his crops. It is high time, he called to his son, that our grain is cut. Go tell all your neighbors to come early in the morning to help us reap it. When the mother lark came, her children told her what they had heard and begged her to remove them to a safe place. There's plenty of time, said the mother lark. If the farmer waits for his neighbors to help him, there is no danger of the grains being harvested tomorrow. The next day, the owner came again and found the day warmer and the work not done. He then said to his son, "We cannot depend upon our neighbors. We must call in all our relatives. You run and call all your uncles and cousins and tell them to be here early morning to begin the harvest." In still greater fear, the young larks repeated to their mother the farmer's words when she came home. "If that is all," she said, "then do not let it frighten you. Do not worry, for relatives always have harvesting of their own to do. But I want you to listen very carefully to what you hear the next time. And be sure to let me know what is said." The next day, while she was away, the farmer came as before. Finding the grain almost ready to fall to the ground from overripeness and still no one at work, the farmer called to his son, "We can't wait for our neighbors and relatives any longer. You and I are going to the barn right now to sharpen our sickles." Children, what are sickles? Sickles are the tools with curved blades and short handles for cutting crops. "At first light tomorrow," means early in the morning, "we shall get to work and harvest the grain ourselves." When the young larks told their mother what they had heard, she cried, "Then it is time to be off." Indeed, if the master has made up his mind to undertake the work himself, undertake means start to do something. Here the farmer made up his mind to undertake the work himself, and so she thought that the grain will really be cut now. So the mother lark moved her nest the next day. The farmer came with his son with their sickles and harvested the wheat. So children, how was the story? Nice? Now I would like you to read this story once again and also the spellings of the new words with their meanings. Neighbors, people living next door. Undertake, start to do something. Reapers, people who cut and gather crops. High time, right time. Dead ripe, fully ripe. Sickle, a tool with a curved blade and a short handle. Word, a message. Children, we learn a very important lesson from this story, that self-help is the best help. You must not depend on others for your work to be done. Always try to do your work yourself. Take the responsibility of doing the work on your own. Never depend on others for getting your work done. Thank you.